Okay, and here would be a buy position because you see the double top. They wanted to test that area again, but then it broke through to liquidate everybody who thought it was buys just then. Now we have nothing to fill on the left side anymore. This is the 1 minute chart, by the way. Then we're in buys now. We would go all the way up to possibly the mid-level area right there, or either all the way up there to the supply box from market open today, and just watch what it does. Let's see. Go 5 minute chart. Yeah, it's making a W. And like once you really see the W's and M's forming, shit really becomes so easier to really spot. Cause okay, you zoom in. This long part, this long leg right here, this leg inducement, this was the beginning of the W. This is the pullback, like the middle of the W. So let me draw it out so everybody like kind of understand this shit, bro. Like, let's see. Where the fuck is the drop shit at? I'm trying to draw some shit. God damn it. Let me see. Okay. Let's see, boom. Oh, fuck. My bad. Okay, there we go. Okay, boom. Let's see. Down. All the way here. All the way to that point. Pull back. That's the green part right here. That's the pullback. Then we go back down lower to liquidate everybody. And now we're gonna be, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me go down. I'm gonna just show y'all like real time. Okay, brush. We're gonna bounce a little bit. We're gonna go all the way up. This is just how the market moves. Like you just have to like really like do the inside work and just do some back testing. Just look like this could be your entry right here at the floor where it liquidated everybody. This is a great discount price. Like you cannot beat it. Like don't get in here. You get in here. This is a great entry. Entry here. I can't draw this shit, but I could have typed it, but fuck it. Entry. The R a little messed up. Alright, entry. Your entry is here. Then you just take that bitch all the way up. This could be a swing. You could be 2 and done for the day. That simple, 2 and done. You just gotta trust the process. Trust how the market will move. You know what I'm saying? You catch the market open move. Boom. It's now what? 10:25. It's 10:25. 10:25 right now. Look what the market is doing. Heikinaishi candles. It's showing the body. It's wanting to go up. Momentum up. It showed the W almost. It formed a leg. Pullback. Another leg. Another pullback. That would be a double bottom. Or we can do inverted head and shoulders most of the time. On 1 minute, it makes a lot of inverted head and shoulders. You see what I'm saying? It's making a head and shoulder now. It made a head and shoulder here. Head and shoulder. You would wait. It liquidated. So same with W, same with M. It made the M. Then it's gonna pull back. Then that could be your sell area. If you enter here, that was okay. You would have faced a little bit of drawdown here. But market open, you would have, I don't even trade like before the market even open, unless it's like 4 or 5 a.m. That's the only time I'm gonna do that. But as you see, you would draw out your box, you know, your area where it's resisting at. You could tell it's resisting because it's keep testing this area and it's failing to break, it's failing to break, it's failing to break, making higher highs but failing to break. It made a higher, okay. It made a, boom, okay. Higher low, higher high, higher low, lower low. What the fuck is this? This is a lower low. It didn't break this shit. Then it broke structure to the downside. Break a structure. It didn't break all the way, but it's a mini break of structure. Then we came back and liquidated. So now we made a lower high, a lower low. Then a fucking lower low right here, and okay, then we made a higher, no, we didn't even make a higher high, we failed, so it's just consolidating for real. Made a lower high right here though. I mean a higher low, my bad. On these parts it's a higher low, my bad. Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Higher lows right here. It made a higher low right here. A higher low right here. Lower low right here. Pull back. It resisted. Manipulation. Pull back. Look, manipulation. Pull back. You wait for the wick to always hit that mid-level area. Always mid-level areas. Always gonna test the mid-level area. Remember that. You always wait. Pull back down. And my entry right here. Pull back down. Boom, you done for the day. You can be done for the day. That's a one and done. Or you can stay in the game, wait a little longer, see what happens. Pull back. Just keep going down. So now it broke structure. Got to pull back. Broke structure all the way fully now to the downside. Now it's making lower lows and lower highs. Lower lows, lower highs. Lower lows, lower highs. Same thing. Lower high. Lower low. You know what I'm saying? Now we got a high right here. Testing the lower low again. Wicking from it. That's how I knew it was some momentum to go to the upside. Boom, it just keep bouncing off this area. It made a W, and it went to liquidate everybody. Now we're here. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? Like, boom, made the W. It's making a W, bro. All the way up. But the market never goes all the way up. It's always gonna, like, you know what I'm saying, pull back to this area, then, you know what I'm saying, do some dumb shit, you know what I'm saying, then go up. But this is confirming my bias in real time and just showing you this is how you can do it. Don't mark up on your 1 minute chart. This is something randomly I just did. I'm just scalping and just looking at the chart. You can, but it's best to look at the bigger time frame because the bigger time frame will tell you what's up. You know what I'm saying? Either way though, but look, it still made a W. Let me erase all this. Alright. As you see, it still made a W though on the 5 minute. This is where people would get in, but I'm showing you something you could catch, like the beginning of the trend, so you could really make some real, you know what I'm saying, some real cash. Let me show you. Okay, boom, we got there. Right at this doji, this red doji right here, candle, it's showing seller pressure is weak. No more sellers is in the market, bro. Buyers is taking over. This is the distribution. It's always good to wait. Like you didn't even have to take this trade if you didn't want to. If you didn't see the setup, you don't have to trade market open. It's always an opportunity. You see, all of that is over with. At 9:55, it took almost like it's best to trade at 10 o'clock. People say that all the time. So You got 1005, pull back into that area. Pull back down, draw some more liquidity. 1020, boom, this is a 1030 candle down there. And we should go up. It's 1031 right now. You see, real time, bro. You have to trust the plan, trust the process, trust God, trust your spirit, trust your intuition. It won't never lie to you. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I know some people could look at it as counter trend trading, but it's just, people look at it as counter trend trading, but it's just seeing the opportunity presenting itself. That's all it is, just seeing the opportunity. I'm watching this real time. I could be making money. I'm just chilling though. I'm just letting this do what it do. And just showing you guys that focus on the skill, not the money, bro. The money will come. Just learn this shit. Like, everybody can do it. I studied for years this shit, doing it. I could have been made a YouTube, but I just always been stagnant on it because I try to get everything else together. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna get the pullback. Buyers still in though. Now, people will enter here as well. That's a smarter way to enter, I say. But I trade breakout. So as soon as I see that W form and the drawn liquidity, I hop in. And then that's when I make my move. You know what I'm saying? I don't even care about the money, I just care about the skill or possible percentages. Not trying to sound like a guru or a financial advisor, I'm just showing y'all what I see and how to see it clearer. People make it seem so hard, like you got all these extra ass names and shit, just see it how you see it, bro. Just make it simple, bro. Make it simple, bro. Do the same thing every day. I don't even have a name for my strategy. I just say I just trade supply and demand and like SMC concepts. I say smart money concepts, bro. Just know what a drawn liquidity is. Just have clean charts. I don't need a moving average or none of that. I could just use probably fair value gaps or something, or possibly an EMA sometimes, but I rarely need that because I can just see the candlesticks is telling the story most of the time. I recommend the trading stick, the candlestick trading Bible as well for everybody to get into, because that'll teach you a lot about the candlesticks and the closures. Munisa Hama is his name, one of the richest Japanese traders there was. You see? And it's the woman, you know what I'm saying? This is distribution. You catch your one-to-one, whatever, don't trade, like, don't aim for big moves, bro. Like, take what the market give you, when it give you it, until you see rejection. Or break a structure, like a major market break a structure. That'll cost you like 20, 30 pips in seconds. Get out that bitch. Because either news drop or either somebody speaking. And interest rates and stuff like that, you know, different stuff can come in hand. Showing y'all how I see the market though, man.